In the grand tapestry of human achievement, the evolution of manufacturing stands out as a vibrant and transformative thread. From the earliest tools shaped by fire and stone to the intricate mechanisms birthed by the Industrial Revolution, our journey is a testament to relentless efficiency and ingenuity. This narrative begins with handcrafted items, each embodying the skill of its creator. However, as civilizations expanded, the shift towards mechanization became essential. The rhythmic clatter of looms and the hiss of steam engines marked a new era of progress, revolutionizing industries and societies. Today, as we edge into Manufacturing 4.0, the synergy between smart factories, robotics, and AI heralds a future of unprecedented efficiencies and capabilities, where machines are not merely tools, but partners in innovation. This evolution mirrors our relentless pursuit of a sophisticated, efficient, and sustainable future, setting the stage for how Manufacturing 4.0 is reshaping challenges into opportunities across industries. As the dawn of the 21st century broke, the limitations of traditional manufacturing became starkly apparent. Faced with the accelerating demands of a global economy, these once insurmountable pillars of industry began to quake. Rising costs, inefficiencies, and environmental concerns called for a paradigm shift. Embracing this challenge, Manufacturing 4.0 emerged as a beacon of innovation, heralding a future steeped in efficiency, sustainability, and interconnectedness. This revolutionary approach is not just a bridge over past limitations, but a leap into a realm where the physical merges seamlessly with the digital, erasing the boundaries of what was once deemed possible. As we delve further, we'll witness this transformative power at play, setting new standards for manufacturing achievement. At the heart of Manufacturing 4.0, a convergence of technologies transforms factories into intelligent ecosystems, redefining the essence of productivity. Central to this era are AI, automation, and the Internet of Things, IoT, facilitating a symphony of communication and optimization on the factory floor. This transition not only surpasses traditional production barriers, but also fosters a culture of innovation, pushing the envelope of what manufacturing can achieve. As we explore the real-world applications of these core technologies, their impact in revolutionizing the industry becomes evident, illustrating the future path of manufacturing's evolution. The narrative of Manufacturing 4.0 unfolds through real-world examples that showcase its transformative power. Companies worldwide, harnessing smart factory capabilities, reach unprecedented productivity levels. This revolution goes beyond efficiency. It redefines customization and places sustainability at the forefront of production, establishing new benchmarks for industrial harmony with the environment. Let's proceed to discover the promising innovations that this new era heralds, highlighting the ongoing journey and the potential that lies ahead. As we stand on the brink of the future, Manufacturing 4.0 synthesizes the physical with the digital, embarking on a phase of smart innovation. The advent of AI, IoT, and robotics underscores an era where adaptability, learning, and prediction are integral to manufacturing processes. This technological leap not only reshapes industries, but also anticipates the skills required for the future workforce, emphasizing digital literacy and interdisciplinary collaboration. Manufacturing 4.0 is not merely an industrial shift. It's a fusion of human creativity and machine intelligence, inviting us to embrace new manufacturing paradigms with anticipation and readiness for the technological waves to come.